Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial video. Today I want to show you how to make normal map picture to 3D map with 360-degree rotation. Just like that.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops.
Watch full video and please subscribe my channel. Let's start. First you need world map picture. Now go to 3D option. Now click new mesh from layer. And click sphere. Your 3D map is ready. Now follow the process to background. If you like this video, please support and subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.
You watch more video like this, please subscribe to my channel.